Welcome to Everyday Linux User. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get files from one device to another using an application called LocalSend. LocalSend can copy files from Windows, Mac, Linux, iPhones and Android devices to another device on the same network that has LocalSend installed. This saves copying files using USB drives, uploading and downloading files to the internet, or working with fiddly tricky Bluetooth interfaces, and it makes it a single seamless action. So you can see here I have some videos on one machine running Linux Mint, and I want to copy them to this other machine running Zorin OS. I have installed LocalSend on both computers, and on the Zorin machine I have set it to receive files. On the Linux Mint machine, I click Send and then Files, and then I select the files I wish to copy. I then click on the device I want to send the files to, and they start copying. You can see that when I go to my computer running Zorin, the files have appeared in the Downloads folder. As mentioned before, there are apps for Apple and Android devices and a Windows version. And that is the end of the video. If you like the video, hit the like button, click the subscribe button, and why not become a member of Everyday Linux User. But for now, thank you for watching.